Alright, so we're back in the Subaru, filling it up with some good old E85. These tires are like slicks now. And honestly, I don't know how I feel about that. Got the R888s on all fours, and this thing just blew second gear right out the water, so we'll see how it acts up. Gonna be on map 2 again tonight, so it's gonna have some fun. See what it does. I don't know if I'm gonna drag it though, just because I kind of want to do that on map number 3, but who knows? We'll see. Take off. The thing I love about this car is that like $10 is like a half a tank. Let me turn off advanced traction control right now. I don't have like the relay, but I want to turn it off. Like fucking slicks, like it's literally spinning way too much. I'm complaining like I don't know this too. I mean, these tires on this car, they're over 2 years old. They don't have 2 years of straight use, but like they're over 2 years old, so I really can't expect them to be hooking up like that, but god damn. Careful in this car, because like this car gives you false confidence, because with these BRZs FRS 86s, like when you set them up with the suspension and you know a decent sticky tire, you get way overconfident. Like let me know down in the comment section if y'all know what I mean, because like these cars are so small and so nimble, like you think you have complete control, but like you really don't. Especially like when these cars are like 180 horsepower stock. So when you start pushing like, you know, upper 300s, 400 wheel, I mean, these are like, they're like go-karts with a rocket strapped to it. I'm waiting for my entire traction control system to kick off. Give it a couple seconds. do a different route today. Well, actually not really a different route, but we're gonna do a night route instead. I'm not gonna jump on the highway, just because, nah. Give me the green. This car has a lot left on the table, man. A lot left on the table. This side of town, especially at like 12 in the morning. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think, man. This car is fun. It's fun, man. In no way am I saying it's the fastest thing on earth, because it's definitely not. It's definitely not the fastest thing on earth. Hell, in my personal opinion, it could be a lot faster, but I do need to get a retune, but technically I need a bigger turbo, which I'm gonna be swapping, but I just like to come out and just listen to the turbo. Like this is like intoxicating, just listening to this turbo. It just sounds so good, man, because the new turbo is not gonna sound like this. It'll sound cool, don't get me wrong, but you guys know me, man. I like to go ahead and modify my cars, like performance wise. If I have to, you know, give a little to gain, oh well. But I definitely want to go ahead and, you know, just enjoy the sound of this T518Z Greddy turbo, man, because it sounds amazing. But this is like for stock motors. I hope you guys can hear these pops. I hope you guys can hear these pops, man. Is shooting out ridiculously big fireballs. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the joyride. Just wanted to go ahead and rip this car up at night. I don't know, it's weird because I always take this car out at night. Like, I don't take the Shelby out at night at all, but I always take this one out. I don't know why, but man, this thing's fun as fuck. Cannot wait to get the new turbo on it. just kind of just taking my time with this build just because I'm just enjoying it, because I haven't had this car for like 2 years, so I'm getting it all kind of back in right now. But I'm telling you right now, y'all, if you guys have a boosted FRS BRZ 86, that JDL oil cooler with these Trackspec hood vents, money. Keeps my temps down. You guys probably tell on the gauge my temps are way down, which is great news, man. Great news. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna head back to the crib. Hope y'all enjoy it, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.